Alright guys, just wanted to highlight this really dangerous maneuver that a driver behind us in the Prius does. As you can see on the ground, the double white line, so no overtaking except for any vehicles which are traveling at 10 miles an hour or less. But look at the danger ahead. There's a brow of a hill and you cannot see past it. So a couple of rules: do not overtake on bends and do not overtake on a brow of a hill. And look at the car that goes now, and I'm thinking, if a car comes, and look what happens, and they literally just miss. We had to brake so that they don't crash. I was telling my student, had I not braked at that point, that Prius would have been totaled. And if that Renault driver, the one on the other side of the car, was coming any faster, that car would have been completely finished. I mean, it's stupid. You have to look far ahead. Look, you can't see anything. You can see the car overtaking now, and look at that car. They were coming fast. They've hit their brakes, but that was ridiculous. I mean, that really wound me up. You can probably tell my frustration in my voice, but have a look at it. You guys need to really plan ahead before you overtake any vehicle. Okay, distance is key, and the sight far ahead is also so important. So overtaking is a risk anyway, and then you're adding onto it when you can't see anything. So that car, out of a little bit of frustration, funny enough, they turned off later on to the left. I mean, they could have literally waited. Imagine they'd crashed, they would have been there for another hour or so, and then the car would have been finished, etc. So people don't think long term like this, and it's really frustrating. You guys really have to be patient. And we were slow at the start, I get that, but the students started picking up, and at that time the patience probably ran out with the car behind, and then they've gone for that just stupid maneuver. So yeah, really dangerous. Could have, if we didn't brake, there's only two things that could have really happened. Either the car, the Prius that's overtaking, would have gone into us to avoid the car in front, so they would have wiped us out, or luckily for them, they would have been either blocked off completely by us, and then the car in front would have just wiped them out. So they were lucky that we were good enough to brake. The car in front was quick enough to react, and they were lucky. But apart from that, it was ridiculous. I hope you guys learn from it. Very important. Do not overtake on blind bends, and do not overtake when you cannot see far ahead enough.